Okay, number 10 on the algebra worksheet. Thing you have to pay attention to here is that you cannot distribute the 7 in like this because of the parentheses squared. Distributing the 7 as a simplify step actually goes against the order of operations, so you cannot do that. This is a good opportunity for you to divide to get rid of the 7. What's weird about this problem is that it does give you a decimal. It's not weird, but it's not pretty. So right now I have x plus 9 squared is equal to 268 divided by 7. 268 divided by 7 is 38.28571429. I'm writing down all the decimals on my calculator screen because I want you to use that value in your calculator. If you round right now and write down 38.3, and then you use 38.3, your answer is going to be pretty far off from what we want it to be. So if you write down 38.3, that's fine to write down, but you need to use this value in your calculator. So I'm going to take the square root of both sides. So that gives me x plus 9 equals. And then on your calculator, you're going to type in the square root and do what you need to do to get the answer. So square root and then second negative sign to get answer, or some of you guys can press up. So the square root of my answer gives me 6.1875. And that one keeps going. We're also going to say negative 6.1875. Sorry, 1875. Because when you take the square root of a number when solving, you have to account for the positive and the negative. Now, if I wrote these as 6.2 or 6.19 if I was rounding, that would probably be okay, because the only thing I'm going to do left is subtract 9 on both sides. I'm not dividing anymore. I'm not doing any multiplication, any square roots. So I keep writing the wrong thing too. Minus 9. Okay, subtracting 9 to get x by itself. So 6.1875 minus 9 is negative 2.8125. You could say negative 2.81. And then this one is just negative 6 and negative 9, so negative 15.1875. Again, I'm just subtracting now. Adding or subtracting isn't going to change your decimal very much. So if you rounded there at the end, or the second to the end, that would be okay.